Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the canvas. Clean each nail with 70% isopropyl or a dedicated nail cleanser to remove oils and residue. Once done, file and buff lightly with 180-240 grit to create a tiny texture so the powder can grip. Make sure to remove all dust with a brush. Then you apply a thin layer of a tacky base or a no-wipe gel base. Cure only as the product instructs, so you retain enough tack for the chrome to adhere. Once your base has the right tack, pick up chrome powder with a dense sponge or silicone applicator. Tap off excess so you don't overload the nail. You rub the powder in small circular motions, applying steady pressure. This compresses the pigment into the tacky layer and builds the mirror effect. You should see the shine develop as you work. Make sure to hit the free edge and sides. After coverage, apply a thin sealing top coat layer to lock pigment placement before final cure. You finish by curing the sealed nail according to the gel and top coat directions, ensuring a full hard cure so the chrome stays in place. If you find patchy spots, don't panic. Reapply a small amount of powder and press firmly with your silicone tool, then reseal that area. If adhesion keeps failing, make sure oil contamination isn't the cause, switch to a stronger adhesion base, or lightly rebuff the tacky layer and repeat the application process. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.